Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in JavaScript known as control flow, with a focus on switch statements. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your JavaScript skills, this lesson is for you. Let's dive in. Control flow is the order in which individual statements, instructions, or function calls are executed or evaluated in a script. In JavaScript, we use control flow statements like if-else, for loops, while loops, and switch statements to make decisions and control the flow of our program. The switch statement is a part of JavaScript's control flow that's used to perform different actions based on different conditions. It's similar to using multiple if-else statements, but provides a more readable and organized way to handle multiple conditions. So here's a basic example. So we have a switch that's going to define an expression, and if case value 1 is true, then it'll execute this first code, and it'll break the code, which means it'll stop right here, and so on. And default will be the code to execute if no expressions match any case. So let's create a switch for the number of the day. So let's do let day number equal to, and let's pick 3 in this case. And now I'm going to create a switch for day number, and I'll open curly brackets, and I'll do case 1, and if case 1 is true, I'll console.log Monday, and then I'll break, and I'll copy paste this 7 times. And now I'll create a default, and I'll console.log invalid day number, and I'll hit Control Save. And now since I let day number is equal to 3, when I go to my index.html, which is only connected to my script in the body tag, and hit F12 on my console, I'll see it say Wednesday, because in our script, case number 3 is Wednesday. And if I were to do something like 7, it'll refresh and say Sunday. And if I went any higher than 7, it'll go to the default and say invalid day number. Same with going to a negative number. It'll also go to the default and say invalid day number. Switch statements are particularly useful when you have a variable that can take multiple distinct values and you want to execute different code for each value. It's a cleaner and more readable alternative to multiple if-else statements. That wraps up our lesson on control flow switch statements in JavaScript. Practice using switch statements on your own project to get a good grasp of how they work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code with Ro for more coding tutorials. Happy coding, and if you want to support my channel, the Patreon link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.